I couldn't go to his chapter because there's somebody in his room that does what I do. There's no way I would have met him had it not been for a training session. Something that BNI does to help its members grow their business is provide training. So it's not just about this meeting. There are also training sessions you can attend outside the meeting to help you get more business within BNI. And the best thing is these training sessions are free. So training sessions include MSP, which is Member Success Program, which is the first training every new member has to go on before they get added to the 10-minute rota. I've done that training probably more than a dozen times. There's also the Reciprocity Ring, which is easy for me to say. That's a training where all the members get together and they share who their best clients are and who would like an introduction to those clients. You will come away from that training with referrals. And I've done that training at least twice. There's also training on growing the value of your network, where you look at the networks within BNI and outside of BNI to work out how much revenue you can logistically generate through your networks. And I've done that training at least twice. So I've done all of these trainings multiple times. But why? Why would I do that? Now you could be thinking, oh, that's because you're a 100-point member, Darren, which I am. And you don't get to be a 100-point member unless you do lots of trainings, because you need to do trainings to get the points for the traffic lights to be a 100-point member. And this is true. But let me let you into a little secret. There are far easier ways to get maximum points for training than going to the Mollington Bannister for 2.5, 3 hours on a Monday night. You could listen to the podcasts. 4 podcasts, and they're about 15 minutes each, 4 podcasts is 1 training unit. If you've got an hour commute in the morning, you listen to 4 podcasts on the way in, 4 podcasts on the way out, that's 2 training units. Do that for a week, that's 10 training units. You only need 9 for maximum points on the traffic lights for training within a rolling 6-month period. You've done it in a week. So if I just wanted points, I'd just do the podcasts. Much easier. No, there's other reasons I might go to training. Like, for example, the most obvious and selfish reason, one of our best clients came from training. A BNI member from another chapter that I met at a training session that I couldn't possibly meet here in this chapter because there's somebody in this room who does what he does and they're still here now. I couldn't go to his chapter because there's somebody in his room that does what I do. There's no way I would have met him had it not been for a training session. And he's been with us 6, 7 years. That's the obvious one. There might be somebody who needs your services, somebody who needs your product, somebody who can actually pay you for what you do. That's a great value of going to training. Here's another one. You might meet somebody who can sub for you here today. And there are members from other groups here today as subs. If you're a one-man band or a one-woman band, it can be difficult to find subs when you can't be in the room. Go to a training event, you'll meet somebody who can sub for you. And you could also sub for them at their group. Because if you want to visit another chapter, you've got to pay. Visitors here today pay £16. If they're subbing for someone, they don't pay anything. So there is an advantage to doing that. And here's a really weird thing that you might actually pick up from a training session, and this is totally left field. As it's a training session, you might learn something. Because David Williams, who runs the training, has been doing it for quite a while. He has a little bit of experience in BNI. He has a little bit of experience in how to teach you to ask for the referrals that you want to grow your business. Because if you don't do that, you'll stand up and you'll talk about the minutiae of what you do from a day to day, how you do it, how much you love your business, and it won't help anybody else find you a referral. And BNI itself has been going since 1985, the last time Everton won the league. That is a long time. 1985 is a lot of years of training to help people grow their business. And all of this is free. All it takes is 2.5 hours of your time. So there's some reasons you could go to the training sessions. You might actually get a client out of it. You might meet somebody who can sub for you here at this chapter. You might meet somebody who wants you to sub at their chapter so you can visit someone else for free. And you might actually learn something to help you promote your business. So the next time Dave Tilston stands out and reads the training sessions and they're written on the back of the sheets, maybe, just maybe, consider going to them. Thank you.